Okay, siqhubeni sisebenze. Sigcine lapha kulayini if ngingekho ephutheni, if I'm not mistaken, bese lapha. Okay, right. Before siqhubeke, into esizoyenza njengamanje, i-drawing oyinikiwe la isometric drawing, then wena kumele uyikhiphe la ku-isometric drawing uyifake kuma-orthographic projections. Okay, sinama-orthographic projections ayi-2, first angle orthographic projection and a third angle orthographic projection. Okay, into nje uzohlala uyizwa le lapha ka-drawing. Abanye vele mhlampe sebeyizwile, abanye abenzela umqondo, kanti futhi abanye ayibenzela umqondo, it's meaningless to them. Right, we have a first angle orthographic projection and a third angle orthographic projection. Right, so la kuma projections into ebalulekile yokuqala, the first important thing is ukuba nama Cartesian plane. Sine Cartesian plane ya first angle orthographic projection, sibe ne Cartesian plane ya third angle orthographic projection. Okay, sisipithe la sizokwenza example ngama Cartesian planes ethu before se move. Okay, Cartesian plane siyazi sonke kwe-math ukuthi Cartesian plane into esasiphambana ku-math ukuthi iba nezinamba i-Cartesian plane yethu, but in this case asinazo izinamba. Okay, ama-lines abold ayi-2 ayisiphambano, then ngizokala u5 mm ngapha nangapha, 5 mm, then ngidwebe manje ama-line angama-construction lines okumele abonwe wena. Cabanga ukuthi iyabonakala i-construction yami, nansi i-construction line yami. Okay, noma ingasabanga enhle-ke nkosi yami, kaleka kwakhona ngiyakubona ukuthi u5 wami ngathi ngimgejile. Okay, siphinde u5 nangapha no5, phinde ngidwebe ama-construction line, construction, and then we have a construction line. Right, then nayi Cartesian plane yethu for i-first angle orthographic projection. Okay, first angle orthographic projection, first angle orthographic projection, i-Cartesian plane yakhona ima ngale ndlela. La siba ne front view. Okay, then la sibe ne top view. Right, then la sizoba ne side view. Lokho kusitshela ukuthi if une Cartesian plane kanje, ku-isometric yami mangibona i-front view. Okay, let's say our front view ile esiyibona masiqhamuka ngapha kule isometric drawing yethu. Nayi front view yethu, front view, side view, then we have our top view, top view if uqhamuka phezulu kule lona yethu. Right, it's for the first angle orthographic projection where we have front view, side view, top view. It's always like this, right, for the first angle orthographic projection. Then we have the second one, of which is the third angle orthographic projection. So let us do the Cartesian plane for the third angle orthographic projection. We start by drawing two bold lines or two border lines, two thick lines which are like a cross. Right, then we measure 5, 5, 5, 5, and then we measure 5, 5, 5, 5. construction line, a line that you only can see. The invigilator must not be able to see your construction lines. Yeah. There are people laughing outside. Okay, so for the third angle orthographic projection, then this side we have third angle orthographic projection. We have our top view here now, so it vice versa. Top view, we have our front view, then we have our side view. The first angle orthographic projection Cartesian plane, where we have front view, side view, and the top view. And then the third angle orthographic projection Cartesian plane, we have our top view, front view, and side view. So our top view is gonna be here, our front view is over there, then ebese kuba side view. Okay, ake sibambe lapho ke. Then ke ebese lokhu sikuthatha sikufake senzweni njengamanje. Sizosebenzisa manje le isometric drawing, sisebenzisa first angle, then sibone ukuthi i-drawing yethu iphuma ithi ayibe into kanjani. Okay, siqhubekeni.